Potato production in North Dakota continues to grow. The state now ranks 4th in the nation in potato production after Idaho, Washington, and Wisconsin. September is typically the time in the region when potatoes are harvested. Producers head out into their fields, many of which are irrigated, but many also are dryland operations. During harvest, the potatoes are dug and lifted out of the ground, here 4 rows at a time. From the lifter, the potatoes are transferred on the go to an accompanying truck. Once full, the truck heads back to the farm or to the processor if the producer has a contract to fulfill. At the farm, the producer unloads the truck where the potatoes are transported via conveyor to a separator. Here, the separator removes dirt clods and cull potatoes, or those that are too small. Producers also hand-check the potatoes, saving those that were separated by mistake. They also remove any dirt, vines, or rocks that may have gotten through the separation process. Once the potatoes have been separated, they are again transported via conveyor to storage piles and buildings, which must contain a relatively constant temperature to keep the potatoes from spoiling. Potatoes are stacked in terraces, bottom to top, via remote control of the conveyor. Potatoes are kept at 55 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 weeks to suberize or heal wounds. The ventilation system pumps air up to 90,000 cubic feet per minute through the piles to keep the potatoes at a constant temperature. The piles are kept at 97 to 98% humidity. Once suberizing is complete, the temperature is lowered to 37 degrees, the optimal temperature for hibernation.